Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be making a sunray skirt with elastic band at the waist. So here I have 2 yards of sunray fabrics, just 2 yards. So you can see that. So I folded it equal parts to 2 equal parts. So I folded it into 2 equal parts like this. So I stretch it out because it really has length. That's one of the fabrics has length. So what I did here is that I take my long skirt measurement because it is a long one. So I take the length of my skirt. So if you want to take the length of your skirt, this is what you would do. If your long skirt is 38, you just remove only 1.5 inches, yes, from the 38, okay, because the elastic band that you will use is 2.5 inches. So by the time you join the elastic band to it will give you your 38 back. So that is what I did, and I then cut it out. So here, this is the one that I cut out that I'll be using for my skirts. I try to make that gathers with my hand to see how it's going to look on the body. I then place my elastic band to it to examine it. So that is what I actually did. So after then I went to my machine to make a gather stitch with my machine. Okay, so I then tried to pull out the wool. So this gather stitch that I actually made, after making the gather stitch, I measured it to make sure that what I have on the waist is exactly my hip measurement. Okay, so what I have is exactly my hip measurement. I've gone ahead to join my elastic band. Okay, so then where I joined, the opposite of where I joined, I chalked it. Okay, I marked it with chalk. I then folded it again, then chalked again into 4 equal parts. Okay, so where I joined the opposite part, I marked it, and I marked where I joined and the opposite part together to mark the other ones, to mark the 2 angle that remains. So that is exactly what I did for the skirt as well. So after then, I then place the elastic rubber right side facing each other from where I stitched down on the skirt and where I stitched down on the band. So I match it together, right side facing each other, then I pinned it. So I'll be using 4 pins. So after that, after pinning one side, the opposite side of the place that I pinned, I'll also pin that one too. Okay, I'll also pin the opposite side. So after pinning the opposite side, you can see where I chalked, right? So I'll go ahead to pin all those places that I chalked. I'll match it all together like this. So it's actually not something much. So can you see how I'm doing it? So you can see that, you can see what I'm trying to explain. So I'll stretch it out. Can you see? So if you want to sew it now, if you are sewing it, that is how you are going to be stretching it out on the machine. Okay, so I'll then go to my machine to stitch the 2 together, the band and the fabrics, to stitch it together. So and that is what I am doing here. Now our skirt is ready. Our skirt is ready just like that. After stitching it round, so the skirt is ready because I'm not putting lining. So there is no lining in this skirt. Can you see how it looks? Can you see it? Very beautiful. If you have got values in this video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel.